You see money all around me, I look like I'm the man.
Mail truck dropped this off my mini tripod, so that means the on foot videos are coming. I've been waiting for those. Steals and Deals is the name of this video. Gonna tell y'all a little story about how I got this little steal going on right here. I was pissed because I was late getting to the mall because there was so much stuff going on, and I was going to sleep on the bread toast. I was rushing to the mall late as heck. Obviously sold out. I missed them. So I'm driving home. Man, I'm too salty thinking about it. Thinking about those resale prices is why I'm salty. So I saw a DTLR outlet off in the distance. So I hit that illegal U-turn real quick, pulled up, jumped out, cause I was ready to spend some money today. That day. Everybody get in those moods where they just ready to spend money, like, you know, I got it, I'm about to spend it. So that's how I was. I ran up in DTLR. Trash. Everything in there was trash. Oh my God, trash. So, and I don't want to base it off income tax time. I was in the line checking out. This lady had she spent about $400 on toddler shoes, like literally toddler shoes. It was, I can't even remember the amount of pairs she had. I was trying to count them on the low, but besides that, okay, everything was trash. So I'm about to leave, and I glance at the back wall, and I see these guys right here. And I was hoping, I was like, man, I hope these are my size. Please be my size. So I get to the display wall, I grab them, and 8.5 my size. So I snatched it up like this. So I'm walking. I'm looking for a sales associate, whatever you call them. And I called dude. I said, hey, come here. Like a crackhead or something. So I gave him the shoe. I said, get this shoe right here, this shoe, 8.5. It's the last one, right? I imagine because it's the display. So he tried to take the shoe. I said, no. You just go get the other shoe in the box. I'm about to try this one on. So by the time he got back, I had laced this shoe up just like it's laced up now, and I had the shoe on. And he came back and he was like legit dying laughing. He said, "You really wanted this shoe?" I said, "I really wanted to spend some money today." So the price tag was $99.99 on it, but I don't know. Just might have been my lucky day, a good constellation prize for not getting the bread toast, which I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna hold out a little bit longer, but I'm gonna get them. But I ended up paying 55-ish total for these. Yeah, white and red metallics, Jordan 1s. I dig them. This is a shoe that I'm gonna definitely run into the ground. It's gonna be my late night trip to Walmart, early morning trip to the corner store type shoe. This shoe can be worn, you know, easily worn, easily find something to match with it. No review, it's just a white and red. White and red bottoms. That's it. It's nothing spectacular. On a scale of 1 to 10, this deal for me, it's a 10 out of 10. The shoe, I would say, I would give it a solid 8 out of 10. So yeah, man, you gotta tell me what you think. Was this a good deal, or should I have left it on the shelf? So if you made it to the end of this video, hit that thumbs up button. Why? Because just hit the thumbs up button. And if you made it to the end of this video, obviously you must have liked what you saw. Hit that subscribe button because I got a lot of things coming. And yeah, got a lot of things coming. All I got is $1 in the dream.